Hi everyone, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I would like to share with you some of the daily things I like to do, little daily tasks here in my home. Vacuuming is one of few things that I just try to do daily. We don't have any carpet here in this home. It's pretty much tile here on our main level, and so a lot of debris and dust tracked into the house. So it's just easy for me to grab my cordless and just vacuum a few times, and it's just make it super easy. I would like to thank each and every last one of you for clicking on this video with me. I really do appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I would love to have you here. And if you already are subscribed, please make sure your bell notification is on. If you're here for the lifestyle, cleaning, DIYs, all that good stuff, thank you so very much again for rocking out with me on this. I tend to open my doors and windows daily to air out our home, but with that being said, a lot of dust and debris do come in our home. So I have a lot of mirrored and glass surfaces, and they tend to come and collect a lot of dust. So daily I try to go through and just try to dust off. I use this little feather duster that I found at Walmart. It makes life so much easier. And then right now I'm going through, since we had dinner on the table, going through and wiping off all the extra fingerprints and cup. You can see how sticky this is from last night. We didn't wash the table after we ate dinner. So I'm just going through and cleaning up this morning. Now it's time to head over and put up whatever dishes that was left in the dishwasher to dry. I'm going to get those done, and then I'm going to wash up the dishes that's here in the sink from dinner and whatever was from breakfast this morning. Out of all the tasks in the house to do, I think putting away silverware has to be up there on the top. I do not like putting silverware away. It's so annoying. Let me know in the comments if you feel the same way. I don't tend to do the broom method very often. I do vacuum this floor, but I feel the vacuum can't get all the way under the stove and all of that. So I periodically like to take the broom and just run around the baseboard. I'm trying to get as many crumbs as possible out. Before I make my bed, tidy up my room. Alright, this is how the bed is made, usually during the week when I don't feel like putting all the extra decorative pillows on there. I'll just put the blanket, and then I'll put the decorative pillows under the bench over here. So this is how it's styled for this is my daily bed making when I don't feel like doing all the pillows.
Okay, so I just brought this lady out here. I think she'll do so much better. I've been trying to find places for her in the home, but I could not. So over here, and I have this little what's that, like a vase out here. I didn't really have nowhere to put this in my home either, so I just placed it out here, and I love those. I'm hoping that the wind don't make her fall over, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to put some kind of weight on her. But everything else, and then I just moved those little black tables. And this wind is so crazy, but she looks cute right there. Thank you so very much for rocking out with me on this daily tidy up. I hope I catch you on the next one. Bye for now.
This